Hey, what's up? Just ended today's live stream, and I wanted to show you today's trade on MACYS. This morning, MACYS opened and was having a little bit consolidation here. If you noticed, we had a pretty decent resistance on the 15-minute time frame. When it started to open up, come up, just the 15 minutes, I was looking for a spot where supposedly I was thinking, well, like we can have a resistance and a decent rollover. I started looking at this candle here, a little bit of a hammer formation or prior resistance here around the WAFU. We had a 711, and here we had a high at 713, and the WAFU was actually sitting at 711. So prior high 711, WAFU 711, and 713 right here. So kept an eye on it, started to come up, and I wanted to find a spot where to get an entry. MACYS had a drop yesterday, and so from the pre-market hours, MACYS had a short sale restriction. So that means that we have to place an order in an uptick. So what I did was I placed a stop limit order to short MACYS on a spot, and I put a stop order with a trigger price on a place and a limit price on another spot, just to make sure that I was not going to get any kind of slippage, or that I was not going to be chasing an entry, but I wanted to again get my entry in an area where I thought that we were going to have reversal, and we had a level right here at 748 daily. I kept looking at this as it was going up, right? I didn't think it was going to go up that high. Look at how it started to flag around this area, right? All of this still in this 5-minute candle right here, right? So look at how it went. 730, 730, 736. So it broke high 738. Here in the 5-minute candle we have 738, so this is exactly where it went here. 738, then you had a reversal. As it started to reverse, had a little flag, or bull flag pattern on the 1 minute. Here high 739, went to 738, then we broke, started to come up. As it started to open up, started to retest these areas here on the prior high on 743 on the 15 minutes. Still didn't work out that way that I was expecting, so it kept on rolling back and had a retest of the 748 trend line resistance that we had. That was actually rejected, because if you look at where actually we closed in the 15-minute right here in the pre-market, we have a gravestone doji that rejected the high, so it came right back down. So around this area here with this doji, I figured that we were going to have a reversal around here. We started to print this area, so I placed a stop limit order to fill me in coming up with a stop limit order to sell or to short at 746, actually 745, and a limit price to 746. I wanted to get close to the 750, and I thought we are going to hover around the area because we had a 748. So I thought we're going to come down and we're going to come up and retest 748. I'm going to get filled, and then we're going to reverse right back down. I was not counting on the fact that it didn't happen. It kept on going up, and we had a high to 762, which is exactly 762 right here in the 15-minute time frame. So I held through all of that because I knew that we also had a level here at 762, and I was trying to risk only 10 cents on this trade, meaning I was looking for an entry at 746 towards the 750 and a reversal. The maximum that I wanted to go to was 756. I was risking 10 cents on that trade, but I figured we have a rejection at 762, so let me just hold it. If it doesn't work, then I'm gonna get out with a little tiny bigger looser position that I wanted to, but chances are we're gonna have a rejection on this spot, so we're gonna have a reversal. And from that spot, it started to come down, down, down. So you notice here, topping candle on 5, he gave us this trend line here, and he started to have the same nice consolidation I spoken about in the other videos. The flag formation here started to flag, give us that consolidation to have a come up and retest the 748 daily level that we had. We have 747 right here. It started to come down. Look at how it came down. Flag on the 1 minute, bear flag another time. But look at how we came towards the VWAP 725, where that we had at that time. We dipped into the $7.20 here before it came up, rejected, and start to hold on that spot. And then we had a bear flag pattern on the 5 minutes under 725, which is where we had the VWAP when the candles were coming here. We had the VWAP 725. So we came down 725 here, the low of this candle. We broke and we dipped into 718, kept on going to 703. My original idea on this trade was that we were going to dip into this spot here a little faster, $7. We dipped into 703. I thought it was going to happen a little bit faster because the S&P 500 was actually dropping, and I figured that, hey, chances are we're gonna have that reversal. I didn't take a trade on WAFU, or not a few, but WAFU, if you decide that you want to call it that way. But let me just show it to you the last couple of days. So we have had ABIO, Sava, different names that have actually worked out very well. Let me just show you how WAFU has worked today. WAFU, I did not take any trades. There's a couple of people in the group that have taken that did take trades on WAFU. When it's actually, this is yesterday, that it started to ramp up in the after hours. And he had a little bit of consolidation, then surged up in the 5 minutes there, so you can see going towards the 1557. There's a couple of people in the group that took advantage of that, and unfortunately, you know, I did not. And on this bounce here, if you look at when it started to bounce, it broke a little consolidation with this high here in the moving average crossover right here at 1029, and it went to 1252, and then when it resumed 1420 and 1539. I did not make any kind of trades on this one, but I was able to participate on the MACYS trade, shorting the 746 on the way down, or actually on the way up, hoping that it was going to have a reversal. And let me take that back. I was not hoping. I had a strategy, I had a thesis, and I went in with a risk, thinking that my idea was going to work, and it ended up working. I actually held and had to hold a little bit longer than I wanted to, but my idea actually worked out very well for me. So for right now, I'm going to let you guys go. Remember that you're welcome to come through the Discord group. If you don't participate there yet, what I wanted to say, if you're not part of it yet, it's an open group, and it's, I think we have like 139 traders stuff right now, and so we share many ideas throughout the day, and more eyes than two actually might end up being a good thing for you. Again, so public, and you can come through if you want to. You'll find the invite link in the description of this video. For now, I'm gonna let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your day, and Happy trading to all.